Your skin is more than just a protective barrier. It's a bustling ecosystem, home to trillions of microorganisms. This intricate community is known as your skin microbiome. A balanced skin microbiome is crucial for healthy, resilient skin. It acts as your first line of defense against environmental aggressors and pathogens. Think of your skin as a garden. Just like a garden needs the right balance of soil, water, and nutrients, your skin needs a diverse and thriving microbial community. When this balance is disrupted, it can lead to various skin issues. These include dryness, sensitivity, acne, eczema, and even premature aging. Harsh cleansers strip away natural oils and beneficial bacteria. Opt for mild, pH-balanced cleansers instead. Look for formulas that are sulfate-free and fragrance-free. Cleanse your skin once or twice daily, avoiding excessive scrubbing. This approach helps maintain your skin's natural protective barrier and microbial balance. While exfoliation can be beneficial, overdoing it can damage your skin's delicate ecosystem. Excessive exfoliation removes healthy skin cells and disrupts the microbiome. Limit exfoliation to 1 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin type. Choose gentle chemical exfoliants over harsh physical scrubs for better results. Many skincare products contain ingredients that can harm your skin's microbiome. Look for products specifically designed to support microbial balance. These often include prebiotics, probiotics, or postbiotics. They help nourish beneficial bacteria and strengthen the skin barrier. Well-hydrated skin provides an optimal environment for a healthy microbiome. Dry skin can lead to cracks and imbalances, making it vulnerable to issues. Use a good quality moisturizer daily, especially after cleansing. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides are excellent for maintaining skin hydration. Sun exposure can damage skin cells and disrupt the microbiome. UV radiation can alter the diversity and composition of your skin's microbial community. Always apply broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Reapply it every 2 hours when outdoors to ensure continuous protection. Stress impacts your entire body, including your skin. Chronic stress can trigger inflammation and disrupt the skin barrier function. This disruption can negatively affect your skin microbiome. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. What you eat significantly influences your skin health. A diet rich in processed foods and sugar can promote inflammation throughout the body. Focus on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and fermented foods. These provide essential nutrients and support a healthy gut-skin axis, benefiting your microbiome. Sleep is a crucial time for your body's repair and regeneration processes. Lack of sleep can increase stress hormones and impair skin barrier function. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Adequate rest allows your skin to recover and maintain its microbial balance. Hot showers and baths can strip your skin of its natural oils. This can lead to dryness and disrupt the delicate balance of your skin microbiome. Opt for lukewarm water when cleansing your face and body. This helps preserve your skin's protective barrier and keeps beneficial bacteria intact. While antibacterial products have their place, overuse can be detrimental. They indiscriminately kill both harmful and beneficial bacteria on your skin. This can lead to an imbalanced microbiome and increased susceptibility to certain skin conditions. Use antibacterial products only when necessary. Nurturing your skin microbiome is an ongoing journey. It requires a holistic approach that considers both your skincare routine and your lifestyle choices. Small, consistent changes can make a significant difference. Be patient and observe how your skin responds to these beneficial practices. Your skin microbiome is a vital component of your overall skin health. By adopting these 10 simple yet effective strategies, you can support its balance and diversity. A thriving microbiome means healthier, more resilient, and radiant skin. Start implementing these tips today and give your skin the care it truly deserves.